Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit for freelance income management. Freelancers often deal with irregular incomes, making it challenging to budget, save and manage expenses. Digit can help by automatically adjusting savings based on your cash flow and allowing you to set aside money for taxes, emergency funds or future investments. Here's how to use Digit efficiently as a freelancer. First, link your primary income accounts. So you're going to start by connecting the bank account where your freelance payments are deposited. This allows Digit to monitor inflow and determine savings amounts afterwards. Next, create multiple saving goals. Set up distinct goals for things like quarterly taxes, emergency funds, new equipment, and of course slow months reserve. Next, enable smart savings. Digit uses algorithms to analyze your income patterns and adjust savings accordingly. It also avoids pulling money when your balance is low or when your income has dipped. So use the paycheck boost feature. If you receive a larger than usual amount, Digit may recognize it and save a little more aggressively, but you can always adjust this in the settings, so you don't have to worry about that. Next, manually trigger savings after payment. If you prefer more control, you can manually move money into your saving goals after each client payment or project completion. You can also monitor cash flow with Save to Spend. So use Digit's Save to Spend balance to gauge exactly how much disposable income you have after savings and bills are accounted for. Automate tax savings. Make a rule to save a fixed percentage, could be 25 to 30% of every deposit to a tax goal to prepare for quarterly tax payments. And of course, pause and resume savings easily. During lean periods, you can always pause savings with one tap and then resume when income returns. With Digits managing your freelance income in the background, you can focus more on your work and worry less about your finances. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.